guys, nice to see you again. So we have a new class today and we have some fun too. Let's start. Okay, let's stand up. Ready? Hello. Hello. How are you? Fine. 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 Thank you. One more time. Hello. Hello. How are you? Oh. Just so. Hello. Hello. How are you? Oh. No. I'm terrible. Remember, every day we have to say thank you for our blessings we have in our lives. So let's start. Today I'm thankful for a new day, for the sun shining, for my pet, for my family, and for you. What are you thankful for? Okay, let's start the class. Ready? Let's go! Hi again. Ready? Are you ready? What do you remember about the last class? Let me give you a clue. What do you remember? Yes. What? Transportation. Yes, excellent. Now, let's remember the vocabulary from the last class. Do you remember the vocabulary? The word number 1 was, what is this? Steam, excellent. What is this? Steamboat, good. What is this? Railroads, good, railroads. What is this? Bicycle, good. What is this? Wagon, good job. What is this? Car, very easy. What is this? Paddle, yes. What is this? Wheel, excellent. What is this? Apart, good job. What is this? The last one? Invent, excellent. Now that we remember the vocabulary, let's open your book on page 48 and 49. And let's start listen and follow with your finger. Okie dokie? Ready?
The history of transportation.
Okay, ready? Continue with your book open on page 48 and 49. Let's take a color and underline the next words, okay? Let's go. Word number 1, transportation. Oh, I found one, transportation. I just will give you the example and you continue with the rest of the words, okay? Check, there is another transportation here. There is another one, transportation. 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 Can you see another one? Transportation. Here is another one. Transportation. Okay, find all of the words that I will say in this moment, okay? Transportation is ready. Next word. Wheels. Ready? Apart. Invent. Invent, yes. Paddle. Railroad. Airplane. Steamboat. And car. Okay, ready? So we just underline the vocabulary words. Now, in this moment, we will continue with the book open on page 48 and 49. And we will take a color red and underline the next sentences. Listen very carefully, okay? Listen. In the 1700s, the steamboat was invented. It's here. Next, I just give you the example and you continue with the rest of the sentences, okay? Move by steam, not paddles. Excellent. Did you find it? High five, good job. Sentence number 2, ready? In the early 1800s, they opened the first public railroad. Okay, go follow with your finger and find it. Ready? Okay. Number 3. British people invented the trains in the early 1800s. Excellent. High five. Next. Carl Benz made the first car in 1885. It's very easy, no? Yes. Excellent. Good job. The last one. Okay. In the 1903, the Wright brothers created the first airplane. Ready? Excellent. Good job. It was a large day, right? Good job, my friends. Let's dance a song. Stand up. Ready? Boom, cha-cha, boom, cha-cha. Boom, cha-cha, boom, cha-cha. Time is up. Time is up. We are free. Good job. Nice to see you. See you next time.